Hey folks, it's Susan at the Rock Shop at 311 Broadway, historic downtown Paducah, where positive energy works, and it's time for the angel message of the week. It's the second week of December 2021, but honestly, whenever you come across this message, this is the message your angels wanted you to hear this week. So let's get in it. I'm using a deck of Archangel Oracle cards from Doreen Virtue. Sadly, it's out of print, but we have some other cards that are very similar. So I'm just going to give it a quick shuffle and just kind of connect with the Archangels and just see what they have in mind for you this week. So I'm just going to spread it out and let intuition let me pick the right one. And apparently it's this one. All right. Moon cycles. All right. This is Archangel Haniel. Notice how the moon affects your energy and manifestations and capitalize on these cycles. You know, I got to tell you, I was never much of a follower of the moon cycles and didn't really take advantage of them until about a year ago. And what really kind of set me off was, I don't know if you remember when that ship got caught in the Suez Canal, and they were trying everything to get it out. It had run up against the sandbars and gotten stuck. And I think it took like a week to figure out how to get it out. And what made the difference was they waited for the full moon and the tide was high. And so they were able to actually float the boat. I mean, this is a megaton ship. So here's the moon affecting the water on the planet to lift this cargo ship up so that they could get it unstuck. Well, that kind of got my attention, to be honest with you. I mean, I knew that there was cycles and that the moon affected us. But when I really stopped and thought about it, I was like, you know what? Here's modern science and big, heavy ships that are being affected by the moon cycle. So why would I think that I wasn't being affected by them? So I started paying attention. And new moons, that energy is great for starting something. New moons are when the shadow of the earth is casting on the moon. So it kind of looks like there's no moon. I mean, it's there, but you don't really see it. And that energy is perfect to start writing down some goals and figure out, well, what would you like to see happen for the next 30 days? And I did that. I did that back in the spring, and I tell you, it was very, very powerful. And then full moons, those are perfect times for giving thanks and manifesting abundance. And so again, I did that, and it's like, wow, amazing. In fact, we just had the biggest day we've ever had at the Rock Shop. And I had done some new moon or some full moon work the prior month because it was a lunar eclipse and it was a supermoon, and I mean it was huge. So I got to say, I am a big fan of lunar cycles, and we will be doing a full video on just that. So folks, this is Susan at the Rock Shop. I hope that message resonated with you and gave you some ideas on how maybe you can even improve some things in your life. But as always, please give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel because that really helps us grow. Hit that notification button and then you'll know when we're doing new videos. And as always, my friends, namaste.